Thank you, Great Foremost and Joy, for that beautiful and heartfelt counsel. Unity and peace are also the most important things in the world that will be represented best. Let us continue to pray for peace as we watch this kitten song number about Israel and Palestine to be presented by Grade 6 Faith. Let us give them a round of applause.
Nabidyohan mo. Nabidyohan mo, picturean mo. Nandun eh, akala ko dito siya eh. Nag-video ka. Maganda naman yung dance niya.